Welcome to our YouTube channel Multi-Focus Media Stream. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe now. We continue the ongoing series on the topic Returning to the Nature. Today's subject is Aqua, a reality. Today's subject is Aqua, a reality. Water is the source of life. The source of fresh water is essential for the survival of any living thing, as well as the amazing molecules that make up and sustain fish and all living things on earth. Like the blood vessels in the human body, it becomes the veins of the earth. It is these molecules that work tirelessly, constantly, connect and create infinite resources that sustain the life of everything. It initiates attracting circular motions of water. Water enables itself to regenerate. Water does not perish naturally, it degenerates as a side effect of organized human efforts. The needs from water are my needs, your needs, the needs of our family, our community, and the needs of the land. Water is not compatible with life. Life is compatible with water. Humans always interact with water, sometimes with respect and sometimes with indifferences. Viewing water flow of streams and rivers is now widely converted into concrete pipes and canals. Humans need fresh air like water. Different oxygen levels can affect all living beings. Due to changes in water, all this said and done, it is about the need for fresh water to keep healthy fishes in tanks. The pH and water hardness are different for different types of fishes. Paying attention to it will help keep your human aquarium fishes alive and healthy. Overfeeding can cause the water to lose its naturalness. It is better to choose good fish and good food for them to make sure they finish eating on time and prevent water from becoming polluted. Excess food reduces the oxygen level in the water, which affects the life of the fish and aquarium plants. It is also beneficial to grow one or two snails depending on the size of the aquarium to help keep the aquarium clean and beautiful. You can maintain a healthy aquarium by paying attention to the above mentioned water related issues. Thank you. Until we see you again with a new episode, till then, goodbye, take care.